What's up, everyone? Welcome back to the channel. If you've been following along, you know our family loves getting out and camping together. In today's adventure, we're out at Inks Lake State Park in Texas for another weekend in the outdoors. This trip started a little different than we planned. We originally came out here to launch the boat and spend the day on the water. But when we saw just how steep the boat ramp was, I decided not to put that kind of strain on the truck. In this video, I'll show you exactly what that ramp looks like, so you can see why we made that call. Instead, we turned the trip into a full camping adventure. Late at night, we set up a 20-person tent from Walmart for the very first time. And let's just say putting up a huge tent in the dark made things interesting. My wife is going to give you a full walkthrough of the inside of the tent so you can see how much space it actually has and how we set everything up for the family. If you've ever wondered what a tent that big really looks like inside, you'll definitely want to see this. So if you enjoy family camping trips, gear setups, and checking out Texas state parks, stick around because we're taking you along for the whole experience here at Inks Lake. Let's get into it.
Boat ramp right there. Yep, store boat ramp. Yes, is that straight this way, right? Like that?
All right, a little bit down, outwards. No, outwards.
Oh,
Oh, yeah.
too much? Okay.
Yeah, yeah. No.
You might be like, nope, don't want to.
Oh, yeah, because I'm not going to willy-nilly.
To go canoeing. Yeah, most definitely right there.
I want to go crazy.
Oh no, someone's telling me don't do it.
Yeah. Don't do what? Don't. There's fish. I think there's dead fish. Don't.
This cove is a no-wake zone. Idle speed only. Okay, don't do that.
He was about to jump overboard. Wow.
Did you catch that?
I hope that one was only on 1080p. See that? That's unbelievable.
I'm laughing. I'm sure.
How did that shoot out your mouth like that? Well, now it's going there.
Someone need to go in there and go get that. This is the 20% tent. We're about to go inside and take a view of how big it is. So this is where we keep our shoes. We have our cooler right here in the screen netted part. It is kind of like short. It does not stay fully up, so your head most likely will touch. Here is our sanctuary. Here is the master bed for the king and queen. We have a heated blanket, so we got the controls right here. They're two separate ones. Purchased this off of Amazon. Then we have the Mighty Sink, which is a really cool sink. It turns on. My son probably used all the water, but it usually flows out very good. Have our soap. Toilet's usually here, but it needs to be emptied, so it was taken out. We have our couch right here. Meet Lexi. Lexi is our cockatiel. She is a baby. You gonna say hi? Say hi, Lexi. And then here's Malachi in his room here. So you can see how spacious that is here. He has a twin bed, so he has a lot of room. The king and queen's bed is a queen bed, so it takes up a lot more room. And then here's Autumn. And then we have Cinnamon Bun. Say hi, Cinnamon Bun. We have his eating station here. Normally the hay would go in here, but we had just put it in the bowl this time. He has his water bowl. But you could see the size of Autumn's size tent room. So all of the rooms are the same size. She also has a twin size bed, so she has plenty of room. These are all the walls right here that do come down. I will show you how it looks when it's closed. And there you go. And then we have the zipper right here, and you just zip it down. But all of them do the same thing, so we all get privacy. So we have our chairs and tables right here. We can set it up in the middle here if we want to eat inside instead of being outside. There's a cover right there. There's a spot where you can put the lantern right here. Right now we do have the cover on the top, so if it does rain lightly, you won't get rained on. And then you have all these windows here that zipper down, and then you just kind of fold it inside inwards. So just so you could kind of see what it looks like as far as the queen bed. I'll close this one too, so you can kind of get a glimpse of what it looks like closed. They have these little buckles here, and then voila, and there we go. And then let's see, this expands a little bit more out here. The anchors sometimes they do come out, but yeah, this is a chargeable sink faucet, and I would definitely recommend this Mighty Sink as well. It's real convenient. There is 2 dividers within the sink, and it has the clean water and then the dirty water side. But that is our tent. We do plan on watching a movie tonight on our projector that we have. We also have our JBL speakers, so we could jam out as well. But see you next time.
Malachi got Scoochie on his little lipsy. What's that?
Yeah, you got it on your beard too.
Autumn to get nothing on hers. Let's see. Yeah, she just went to the bathroom, so she probably wiped it off.
I didn't wipe nothing off.
Mm-hmm.
You got some on your mustache.
I do.
Yeah.
Alright.
I'm gonna hold the bird because I'm not gonna be the one that's gonna be punished for 100 years. Well, not 100 years, but like 2 months because I dropped cinnamon bun in the fire.
What?
So I'm gonna hold cinnamon bun and I could thing because I like the bag because I can actually keep hold of it. But cinnamon bun is moving and I have to make sure she doesn't move out of my hand.
Mm-hmm.